Now that we've successfully downloaded it and installed R in RStudio, let's go ahead and take a walk through RStudio. RStudio is the preferred IDE or integrated development environment for R. It allows you to easily keep track of all your packages and files in one nice convenient location. The way I have my panes laid out here, it's kind of a 4-pane layout. So on this top left box here, we have the current file that's open, and this is just a out-of-the-box test R markdown that's currently open. On the top right, we have the environment, history, connections tutorial. The environment stores your variables and your data frames so you can see what's available in memory. Down here in my bottom right, we have files, plots, packages, help, viewer, presentation. The packages is nice because it shows you all the available packages that you have downloaded and installed on your system. Packages are a group of programs that you can use to easily and conveniently manipulate the data. And then down here we have the console, terminal, render, and background jobs. Right here, in this little tiny spot, you'll see the current version of R that you're working with. So right now we're working with R 4.5.2. If you want to change the layout of this or how the text looks, you go to Tools, Global Options, go to Appearance. You can change your editor theme. So if you want a lighter text or background, you can choose one of the various themes as well. I generally like to go with a vibrant ink. Additionally, if you want to change the way the panes are laid out, you can do that in this pane layout here, and you can choose what is available to see under these. So if you notice environment, history, connections over here, you can choose to turn those on or off however you see fit. And you can move it so that way the source is over here and it just kind of goes in that 4-pane layout. There's other things to the left over here under options as well. Under your R version, it shows you the current R version that RStudio is pulling from. So again, it's going off of R 4.5.2. And there's other things over here which we will get to later. For the first thing, we're just going to make an R markdown. So for that, you just go to File, New File. You can either do R script or R markdown. I like R markdown myself personally for quick data analysis. So you're going to click the R markdown, which then it will automatically make this for you. It'll have a pop-up box of what do you want to name this project? What date do you want to put this project on there? You just fill those out as you see fit, and then click create or save. From here, you have the ability to knit from 1 to 3 different outputs. So you have HTML, PDF, and Word. I always do HTML. PDF can be used. It's a little more tricky to configure it correctly, but HTML is the most flexible, and you can work with CSS as well. So you can make any dashboards really kind of exactly how you want it. So for this, we're just going to knit to HTML, and you'll notice that it came up with a generic graph here, and this is kind of just their built-in data set with the graph that they chose to show as an example. When you click File, New File, and R Markdown, it probably gave you a pop-up box saying that there are packages that are needing downloaded. Just click yes, and it will auto download those packages for you, which then you will see over to the right under User Library or System Library. That's kind of a general walkthrough of how to navigate RStudio. In the next video, we will read in our first CSV.